This is how to make a drum sampler instrument, and the first thing I've done already is import the drum loop, which we'll be extracting parts of from to create the instrument. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up our sample editor. So we want to see what we can extract from the loop. So we'll just listen to it. Right, so we can just get things from the first bit, apart from these first three initial hits, because there's a cymbal in it with it too. You can add that if you want. Sometimes you use cymbal and kick hits, but it's not how it's meant to be really. So we'll find a good kick. There's one already. So we'll go in and neaten that up, make it a bit longer. Make it last a bit more. Right, we want to save the selection to. I'm going to make a new folder called Jack's Drum Samples. Create, and we'll just call it Kick Drum. So now we want to find a snare. There's the best one, really. Right, so I'll go in. Let's just alright that. Do the same, save selection as snare drum. Oh, Sana. Oh my god. Snare drum. Save. And we've got two types of hi-hats in this. We've got an open and close, so we'll just find a closed one first. There's one. So I'll make sure it's bang on in terms of timing. Right. We'll save the selection as closed hi-hat. And finally, we want to choose our open hi-hat. There's one. There. Alright, we'll save that as open hi-hat. Although it does have a kick in it. Right, and now we've got all of our samples. We want to make a software instrument which will map the samples to. We want to go on the EXS24 sampler, go to Edit, create a new instrument, and we want to load multiple samples from Zone, and these are all I'm doing a bit different order here, so put that first, add, snare second, closed third, and the open hi-hat fourth. So we're done there. I want it to start from C1 because as we go up the notes, we want the kick to start off on C1 and then from there the rest of the instruments in that order. So okay, let's see. Any sound. And that should be it. There you go.